Hello all, welcome to Technostack in the section of Python. Today we are going to see how basic syntaxes can be used for working with Python. So this is the first video in this series where we'll be starting with the programming section. Actual programming section. The last video we saw the installation of the Python installer. So if you have not seen that, you can just check that video out. You can just see any of the card on above over here. So let's just start. So first thing, you just have to go over here. I'll just invert it just a second. Here you can go over here and just type here to search. You can search Python idle. So that's just it, and then you'll be given this Python shell. So with the basic print statement that we do in each and every programming language, we'll just write print in double quotes, and then we'll write hello, welcome to Technostack. And as soon as you press enter, you will get the print syntax that is hello, welcome to Technostack. Another way, now in Python, you don't have string and character as different. They are this one and the same. So for a character is just a one word string. So you can just use this also, like single quotes, hello. And then as you press enter, you get the same syntax implemented. For numbers, you just have to write them. You don't need to put it across inverted commas. If you put, it's fine. They are treated as string. If you don't, it's fine. Else for that also. Like, let's say print 2 plus 3. As soon as you press enter, you'll get 5, the result of 2 plus 3. Now, when I just write within inverted commas, that is 2 plus 3, what I get is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is considered string whenever you put it under inverted commas. Okay, so now Python doesn't necessarily have a definitive variable type, that is data type. That is, whenever you write a variable, you don't need to define any data type. It just automatically takes the data type of it. So there are basically 4 data types that we'll be dealing. There are various data types over here, but 4 basic that we'll be dealing are integer, then float, then string, and then boolean. And inside float and integer, we have complex. So we'll be checking one by one. We'll be printing the data type and we'll be seeing its type. So let's just get into it. So let's just say that a equals to 5, and then a is a number, a is an integer. So we just say print a. You get 5. Now to see that which type it is, we say type a. And as soon as we print a, you can see over here class integer. Okay. Then next we take b equals to 3.5, and we say print b. Now, can you see over here, I have not defined whether it is integer or here it is float, like any other languages like C++ and Java. But here in Python, it takes automatically that this is an integer and this will be float. We'll just look into it. So we'll just say print type b, and voila, we get class equals to float. So this is a float data type. Next we are going to see is complex. So c equals to I plus 3j. Okay, so I is not defined here, but let's just see. Let's just try this. Okay, so J is working. Let's just see if it is working. Sometimes you don't get all libraries inbuilt, so you just have to run the library that we need over here. So let's just try. If it's available, we'll use it, or else next time when I'll be showing you how to install a library or how to use a library, I'll show you this example over there. Fine. So let's just see if it it's showing us. Yeah, so it is available. So see class, this is complex number, that is 3j. So this was integer, then float, and then complex. You can write it like this also. I'll just check it out why it didn't work and get back to you. Maybe some shell problems will be there. Some module might be missing. So I'll just add it and then show it to you again. Okay, fine. So after this, we'll just check it for Boolean. So just keep it short, like type of true. Boolean is not defined here. Fine. Let's try this. Yeah. So it is defined. We just have to use the capital word. So I'll just make it again so you don't get confused that true worked false didn't. Sorry, false for true didn't. So just keep the F and T capital. So here just we set the type of false and type of true, then it is Boolean. So major data types are integer, float, complex, string. String we saw earlier, the very first. Let's just say we take it str equals to welcome to mistake. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Fine. So this is what I want you to do. Okay, so it just takes a second. Just like the video, share the video, and do paste a comment if you want to see some specific content. Anyways, so this is string, and then we just print string. It will print the string, and it will print type str. What we get is that it is of string class. So these were the basic data types that we saw in Python. So stay tuned for more such videos to Technostack. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.